All right, well, welcome back to Rashad's Garage. That's my new name. I recently made some changes to my channel for the better, and that's the name that I came up with. Let me know if you like it, and then if you haven't, stick around, watch the video, check out some more of my other videos, subscribe, and then like, comment on my other videos, tell me what you guys want to see. I mainly post Jeep videos. This Jeep, my Grand Cherokee, I'll throw a little thing up here for it so you can check out some videos on it. I occasionally post about my Z or my Power Wagon, but today I've been driving this Jeep all week. Had a half a tank of gas, wanted to burn it, and it almost made it. Today is Wednesday night, almost made it. It was I probably had enough to get to work with that quarter of a tank that I had left, but when I was leaving work today, my battery light came on, which makes me think that I have a bad alternator. So let's see if it starts. And there it goes. And it definitely sucks having this thing sitting here, because I've been enjoying driving it. It's a whole different beast with the manual transmission. That whole situation is dialed in. I have no issues whatsoever with the manual swap. I did it right here in the garage, and I love it. So I hate when this thing is down even more now, because it's a blast to drive. It ain't no rocket ship, but it moved. Hey, welcome back to Rashad's Garage. Just like I posted to my channel, I'm gonna be replacing the alternator. It did come in. Today is Thursday. I know I did put Thursday, so let's open this box and pray it's the alternator. Let's see. Came in a weird box too, by the way. It was supposed to be new, so we'll see. All right, so I got my turbo. Nah, this is alternator. So this alternator is a 160 amp. I believe my Jeep had a 90 amp. So this should work better with the winch, all the lights, and then my current alternator died on me. So, yeah, let's get started. All right, y'all. Well, alternator's out. Everything does match up, so I feel a little better. It's one, two, you know, down here, these two. So everything does match up. I don't see anything different. It has this little spacer on it. One more hole at the bottom. So yeah, everything looks good. I mean, the back side's a little different, but this is a stronger alternator, so hopefully it works. I'm about to throw this back in my Jeep. I'll show you guys though. It was actually hard to squeeze through this hole. I don't know if I was supposed to do it out the back, which doesn't look like it, or I did it more this way, but it worked. I pulled it out, so let's throw that new one in there. Act up, and this is one of them. This opening right here is too small to fit back under there, So I'm using my grinder, but I can't get in there. So now I'm about to use my carbide bit, and hopefully I can open this up just a little bit. It's almost fitting, and then I can throw it back in and be good. All right, so everything's done. Alternator's on there. See what it does. But it started, and my Jeep, I don't know why it misfires when it first starts up, but it'll eventually clear up. So that's that. But hey, it's back. It'll eventually clear up. I might go take it for a test drive, see how the winch feels and all that. See how it drains the battery if it does. You know what? It dims it a little bit. I got my winch switch right here. But yeah, I take this as a win. Alternator looks good. See, my Jeep's been running this whole time and the misfire just clears. So if anybody knows what that problem is, let me know, because that's pretty weird. But I might move my wife's car and go drive it. So I got a loud whine. I need a new power steering pump, but I just fill it up and just let it be. It's been loud ever since I put it on, so there's nothing I really can do about it. But I'll let you guys hear it. I mean, Jeep sounds healthy besides the slight sputter it has. Seems good. About to go put it in the garage and call it a night. All right, well, just moved the wife's car in the driveway. The Jeep is done. Here we go. Yeah, with that being said, next move for the Jeep is possibly the heater core. Let me, where'd I put it at? Give me one second. There we go, heater core. Heater core's in the box. Alternator works perfect. So the next video you should see of the Jeep is either off-roading at Crown King. Finally gonna be doing it next week. I've been talking about it ever since I got this Jeep, and I flopped. You guys already know. That video been around a few times. But yeah, trying to go back and have some fun. And I might do the heater core before that. I don't know. I don't feel like pulling apart the dash, but it is getting cold in Arizona, so we'll see. But like always, like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you for tuning in to Rashad's Garage. See you on the next one.